Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Presleen. As you can tell by the title, I'm doing my first unboxing video for my first Telfar bag. So before we get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Let's get me to 1K subscribers. And yeah, let's get into the video. As you can tell by the title, I am doing an unboxing video on my first Telfar bag. I'm so excited. So just a little info on the bag. This Telfar bag is 100% vegan leather. It's made by Liberian designer Telfar Clemens. It is a unisex bag. It's for both men and women. Anyone can rock this bag. I think it is so cute. I did hear about it like a while back, but I didn't really pay attention to it, and then it's been popping. I'm like, didn't I hear about this bag? And then I started looking on the website, and it was sold out. This bag sold out so fast. There's 2 bags I wasn't even able to get so far. So thank God they're having the security program that they have going on, because I'm about to order all my bags and I'll wait for them faithfully. So let's get into the unboxing, and this is how it came. It came in a box and then this big bag. I have 2 bags now, but this is me unboxing the second one, actually. Well, the first one. So yeah, it's like this. CT. I actually ordered earrings with this. Okay, so this is how the bag came. It was in a box. Ooh. So I'm just about to take it out the bag. I am so excited. This is how it looks. Opening it. Ooh. Ooh, it is so pretty. I love it. So this is the Telfar bag, the medium one. I tried to get the small, but that sold out in my cart. It sold out in my cart. I was so upset. Telfar, do better. I was so upset. I don't want to rip this out. But this bag retailed at $202, I think. I actually have the earrings on too. I should have did an unboxing for the earrings, but they're so cute. So the bag retails at $202, which I think is really good. This bag is really popular, and I feel like everyone could have one because of the price. I think it's really good for the price. So cute. These earrings, the small logo hoop earring that I have in my ear, it does retail at $175, which I think is so good. I actually want the bigger one. I think the small hoop is such an everyday earring. But back to the bag. Let's see, let's undo this. I actually wasn't a bag person until a year ago. I started getting into them, and it comes with a long handle. I love this. Okay. And they said it can fit your laptop in it. It does, because I have the cream one as well. I should get it so I can show you guys. And this is how it is. Open it. Okay, Telfar. I like the cool bag actually. Wow. So this came in it. Not sure what this is for. Not sure what this is for. So this is the bag. I'm in love with it. Like when you see inside the bag, it has like the Telfar logo. It's really cute. I like that. And gonna unzip and open it. And yeah. And I have the same bag in cream. It is so cute. It is so cute. Let me get a thumbnail. Outfit on, okay. And as you can tell, so the bag, I am in love with this bag. Like, it's so pretty. It is so pretty. I love this bag. So like I said, the bag does retail at $202. I got these at the same time. I just opened the earrings first because they're so cute. And altogether for the bag and the small logo hoop earring, it was $377. Whoa, that's actually good though, to be honest. That's really good. So yeah, go get you guys a Telfar bag. They actually have, let me see, the security program coming up to where you can, yeah, on March 30th, that's on a Tuesday, and the 21st. Oh no, it starts Tuesday, March 30th at 9 a.m. and ends Wednesday at 9 p.m. Oh my god. And you could order your bags. They make them custom, and it will ship between July 15 and September 15. And yeah, you can also make monthly payments on this bag. It is so cute. Yeah, get you one. I'm in love with it. I have two already, and I'm gonna have all the colors. I really want a black and the like silver one. I really want that. And a gold one too. I'm just gonna get them all. But yeah. But okay guys, that's the end of the video. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me your favorite color of the Telfar bag and like everything like you like about it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and like I said, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Peace.